Hey, what's up everybody? So today is day 7 of our 100-day split challenge. I am feeling more tired today, but it's okay. We will push past it. My body's a little bit more warmed up now since I've had all day to walk around and stuff, so I feel confident that I can stretch and not pull something right now. And I am looking forward to seeing the progress continue. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's go. First things first, we're going to stretch on our left side. Okay, now that we're stretched on this side, we're going to go ahead and go into the splits. Do you guys hear that? It's popping everywhere. I feel like the popping has gotten a lot better since starting this, but I'm still popping. I did not do as much of a stretch as I wanted to today, but that's also because I am exhausted and I'm tired. So, not making excuses, not trying to make excuses, but I am tired. And I noticed that when I'm really, really tired and I'm really, really exhausted, it does affect the outcome of how this goes. So, we're going to go ahead and move on to the right side. Starting to get the feeling that this side's going to be extra tight today. I feel so tense and so tight everywhere. My muscles are like squeezing. Okay, let's do this. Split. Okay. That side wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be tonight. Definitely more tight though, and more tense on that side than on that side. And I can feel it today because I'm so exhausted and because my body's exhausted. It's my fault. I'm so bad about staying awake most nights. I'm such an insomniac, and so I just don't sleep. But I do notice that when I do that and I don't get enough sleep for my body to actually function the next day, then it affects my muscles and everything, and I get a lot more tight and tense. Does that happen to you too? Let me know. Tell me all about it. All right, middle. We're gonna stretch the middle. Honestly, I'm kind of hoping that my back will pop in this position. no such luck. That's okay. It's okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's my hip. So old today. Oh. Okay, let's do middle splits. I'm stalling a little bit because I'm kind of sort of dreading this today. But we push past it. And we do it. Well, I hope that y'all's journey is coming along as swimmingly as you hope it does, and I hope that you're seeing some progress. I'm definitely still seeing some progress. Like I said before, I definitely notice when I don't get enough sleep and when I procrastinate sleep that it affects my results and it affects my progress, and I am noticing that. However, I'm still pushing past it and I'm still stretching every single day, and I am still attempting my splits every single day, even though it feels more tense and more tight, and I recognize when my body also needs rest, which is why I do this when I'm a little bit more warmed up throughout the day. So today, specifically because I was tired and exhausted and just couldn't function like a person anymore, I did wait until I was ready, my body was ready, and my muscles were a little bit more warmed up to do this. Well, I definitely hope that your guys' progress is coming through, and I absolutely want to hear all about it in the comments, so leave a comment down below telling me about your journey and about your splits progress. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!